Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, guys. We've got a Copperhead 40A, the pit that started all TMG. First TMG pit ever built was a Copperhead 40, believe it or not. Not quite as loaded out as this one. This one's about got everything you can do to it. We'll open it up here. Guys, like all of our Copperhead models, you get bottom and top sliding trays. You get your removable reverse flow plates. We will build these traditional flow, but hey, I think they work out best reverse flow. What those plates do is direct the heat all the way across the bottom, then back out of the stack. Speaking of stack, this did get a fold down stack, so fold down, thrown in and out of your garage. It is pretty tall. On our off-road package, you got those badass red wheels, big tires on it, wire mesh front shelf. That's our standard front shelf. Still got your paper towel utensil holder on there. Come around to the hot box. This is probably our most popular option at TMG is the 30-inch hot box, all right? And for good reason. Not only does it have 1,776 All-American cook square inches of cook space in it, but it runs independent from the smoke chamber. So what that is, you can be cooking at 2 different temperatures in here, smoke in here, warm in it. You can remove the bottom plate and get direct fire in there. So very versatile option there. Come around to the firebox. This is our standard firebox here. All 1/4-inch plate steel. Got your fire management cradle in there. Ash clean out in the bottom. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. This is one slick pit right here, guys. Y'all know the deal. You need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.